Okay, so,
Mm.
what are your guesses?
Ako ang guess ko, sigurado yan. Pag boy yan, mana sa akin. Yes.
Pero alam mo, Robert, I think it's a girl.
It's a girl.
Kasi tinan mo naman kung gaano ka-blooming yung anak natin, oh. Pag maganda raw ang babae, girl.
Oh! Ay, wait a minute. So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi maganda yung girl, lalaki. Girl. Girl, ano bang may litrato ka ng nanay mo?
Wala po, sir.
Ikaw talaga.
Hindi ba?
Mukhang may kanya-kanya kayong favorite mom. But for us, basta healthy yung baby, girl or boy, grateful kami. Mamahal.
Sana girl, pero tama. Sana healthy.
Girl.
O, ano pa hinihintay natin? Countdown na tayo.
Countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Oh my God, the girl!
You got your wish. You got your wish. Oh, congratulations, ha? Congratulations. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Okay.
Yes.
Girl, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba?
Here, your baby princess.
You got your wish.
na, mom.
So, kayo, alam ba ninyo kung anong magiging pangalan ng baby niyo?
Yes, sir. Meron na po.
I chose the name. Catherine Minda Luis. In honor of you, Mom.
That's so sweet. Thank you, anak.
Of course, Mom.